Gearbor presents the 5 best office chair cushions 2020. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 1, Love Home Memory Foam Lumbar Support. Love Home's seat cushion boasts extra memory foam, making it almost twice as thick as other models at about 3.6 inches. It's ideal for those who have to sit for long periods, as it comfortably distributes body weight to promote good posture with its ergonomic streamlining. An adjustable strap helps keep the cushion in place. The seat cushion is available in a wide variety of colors, with a removable cover for easy cleaning. Love Home makes similar cushions that are slightly larger if you'd like yours to have more of a presence, but you can try this one for 60 days, and if you don't love it, the company will give your money back. At number 2, Aleo Coccyx Orthopedic Comfort Foam. Aleo's seat cushion has a special, ergonomic, cutout design that makes it ideal for larger bodies, but it works well for smaller people, too. Thanks to the cutout and the cushion's firmness, your tailbone won't take the brunt of your weight, and it's designed to ease pressure on your hip bones as well. The cutout area also distributes your weight more uniformly, making it easier to sit properly, so you can give your spine a break. It's covered in an easy-on-the-eyes gray velvet that you can remove for washing. And for all this, the seat cushion is still really lightweight at less than 1 pound. At number 3, Kiba Coccyx. This seat cushion from Kiba is made of memory foam that's layered with gel. It's meant to support your lower back and to improve posture with its U-shaped design. The memory foam also lets you sit for long periods without the discomfort that can come from sitting, even when your posture is great. And if you leave your desk, the indents you leave in the seat cushion will still be there waiting for you when you return. The cover can be removed for easy cleaning, and the cushion itself is suitable for any kind of seating. You can use it even if you spend your day on a stool. At number 4, Extreme Comforts Large. Measuring 19 x 17.5 x 3.5 inches, this Extreme Comforts Large seat cushion is perfect for those with bigger office chairs. This way, it also has plenty of space to fit almost any seat and distribute weight more evenly. The large seat cushion is comfortable and conforms to your shape, thanks to its 2-layer foam system, so the cushion is never flat and helps relieve tailbone pressure, numbness, lower back pain, and more. In addition to providing breathability while sitting, its removable mesh cover is machine washable. With an attached carry handle, the cushion is also easy to carry with too, so you can use it for your flight or train ride after work. Plus, the non-skid bottom means you can comfortably use the seat cushion on any surface. At number 5, Travel Made Gel Enhanced Memory Foam. Even if your job doesn't keep you pinned to your desk for long periods of time, there's a seat cushion for you, too. Travel Made designed its Coccyx Orthopedic Gel Enhanced Cushion for use anywhere from a plain seat to your car to your office. It comes with a nice, built-in carrying handle, so you can just grab it and move. Of course, if you do spend a lot of time sitting in one place, the gel seat cushion offers plenty to keep you comfortable, too. It's made from furniture-grade foam, think your comfy sofa cushions, with a layer of memory foam as well. The cover is non-slip, so when you place it somewhere, it will stay there even if you're fidgeting a bit on top of it. It's one of the less expensive cushions out there, too.